Okay, this clip I took just right after the peer detector clip, and as you see, the LED is not glowing, and if I go and the peer will sense me, still you see I can go down and the LED is not glowing. It's waiting about 10 to 15, 12 minutes after I'm gone, without a rush, without a hurry, and then the system will get into standby mode and will detect anybody that comes in. You can see that I put a lot of rubber band where the eye of the infrared is there, because otherwise it becomes too much sensitive. The Frenzel lens, there were Frenzel lens. The Frenzel lens are special lens that this device comes with it, but it was too old for it to function. So I took it away, and this Frenzel lens just sends all the necessary rays of light and bring it directly to the middle where the sensor is standing. But because I took it out, it sensed everything that is moving. And if some, I don't know, light comes through the walls, it senses it. And this gave me false alarm. But after I put the rubber bands over there, it sends only a human, and once he's coming over wherever I'm standing here, as you can see, it alerting all the time. Another project is, this is a microcontroller, but I helped a friend who did something similar to this project, and I thought to myself, why not do it for myself and use it. Whenever I come back to the roof, I need to put a key and open it. There are two locks. The upper is permanent lock and strong whenever I'm going for long, but the lower, it's very annoying to open it. So I just press, for now, it will be a very simple, just a minute, I will close the door. Now the door is closed. I press the password. 5, 6. You see, it says open door, and the LED, green LED is lighting, and it lets me open the door. Now I close the door, of course it will not open anymore. The good thing that I added by myself without the project, any need for the project of the friend, is a flash memory chip. 8 legs, very small chips. It's called 25AA256, if I'm not wrong, of microchip. Very expensive chip. It costs about $10 to $11. This in terms of ICs, it's very expensive, $11. But I wanted to use it. It uses SPI networking. So what it does, if I want somebody to come in, I can give him my password and then change it. How do I do it? Just a minute, I think it's like this. No, it says 2 more tries. I need to put the password, my password. It's a special one. I will not show it to you now. And now it says enter a new code. It's waiting for a new code, and I will show you what will be the new code. 1 4 7 8 5 2. Writing, so it succeeded. So the first code, if you understood, it was 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now it's like this: 1 4 7 8 5 2. Let's see that it's working. The password is okay, and the door is opening. Yes. Now let's see what happens if somebody tries different and wrong password. For example, like this, I'm just randomizing a password. It says 2 more tries. Of course, it didn't open the door, and then another password I press. Last try it gives me, and the last one will be like this, something. And now it says safe is locked for 1 hour. Of course, for practicing purposes, I didn't let it lock for whole 1 hour, but I can do it, of course. So I change the password whenever I want to change the password. I can do it, and it saves it in a 1 kilobyte flash memory. This is to be defined, what's called TBD. This is push button that I added to call me if somebody is here. Generally, I know if somebody is here because they are calling me at the intercom at the parking lot. But just to be defined later, he can press here and I can hear the buzz. Now it's not working like this. I had some problems over here. The problem, theoretically it worked, and then I came to put it, and I used a lock that drew from the IC. There is IC ULN 2003. 3 legs of each leg give like a half ampere, and I used two or three legs, and with my locker, and it worked on a workbench. When I came here, it opened the coil and then closed, open and close, because it didn't have enough power. So I saw that this mechanism draws 1.5 amperes. It's all that I scavenged from a door downstairs after they did some changing there. I took it. Let's see it just a minute. What was? I don't know what I pressed. That's the one. So I scavenged it, and it draws 1.5 ampere. Now until I located it on the right place, it took me some time. The cast was falling. I broke the door a few times because it was not holding, and this door is very old, and I had to make it. This is for the left door, and here you see a right door. Means it opens from the right, and downstairs it's a left, so I had to put it upside down. But now I will put a cast over here, a gypsum, and it will hold permanently, I hope. It's quite strong like this. So this drew 1.5 amperes, and a transformer could provide only 1 ampere. So what's the problem? Let's take a bigger transformer, and I put a bigger transformer, like the one that gives 2 amperes, and after everything was inside the box and glued, and there is option for burning from here, and other option I left outside for a talking machine that I can connect now with this. It's very tightly enclosed inside, and one chip was burned because I gave 2 amperes through all this system, because this locker wanted 2 amperes. So I had to do a chirurgic change. I didn't know what to do, because I had to take all this apart, and it's with hot glue. Everything is so strongly stuck inside. It's very, very hard to take it. So I managed to take 1 wire. I could not do much, but I take 1 wire, and then I added a logic circuit with a transistor outside, and this will give the option for the ULN to open the locker. So yes, I use this 1.5 ampere. I don't know if you can see it with my very simple camera. 12 volt, 1.5 ampere. It draws just for 3 seconds 1.5 amperes, only when it's open. But I managed to, once it was so closed everything was so close, I managed to take, because two ICs were damaged. One I threw away, and one IC, just one leg was okay, and so I used that leg. I managed to take a wire, small wire from that leg, and do another circuit with a transistor that will make a logic 1 or 0 to activate the new ULN 2003. So I was very happy that it came this way, and you have to know to improvise in the field. This is not necessary anymore. You have to do a lot of improvisation. Oh, and these two buttons are reset and preset that lets me, if I want in the future, and I did it, I want to burn newer code, I don't have to open all the box because I will not reach the button, small button on the board. I can use them over here. Let's press the reset. Welcome to Ronen, insert tooth code. Okay, thank you very much for watching.